going back to markets, 20 seconds to go, and the market right now clearly seems to be setting itself for a flat start. Flat start is what is in store for the market right now, and then we'll have to take it from there in terms of the setting on the table. The market also, first rates, there you go, they're coming up on your screen.
Yes, it's indicating a gap down start for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Your first trades right here on the screen. It's indeed a gap down. What we are seeing on the benchmark indices, 124 points of cut is what Nifty 50 is indicating. Down below that 24,700 mark as well. While for Nifty Bank, 230 points of cut is what we are seeing. Just a 0.5% cut coming in on the benchmark indices don't look that bad. Other than that, India VIX is actually inching higher with almost 1% of the gains. But in terms of the movers, we have some of the pharma counters that are doing well. Case in point being Cipla. Sun Pharma, of course, will actually be in focus on the back of the earnings. But the big accident for today is indeed IndusInd Bank. A 5% cut is what we are getting to see after all these brokerage downgrades as well as all the concerns and a very dismal set of earnings. Power Grid also another earnings candidate, 1.5% downtake, and even the IT counters are taking it on the chin. Tech, HCL Tech as well as Tech Mahindra are the laggards in today's trading session. But what's doing good is a couple of these Adani counters, because I can see Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise, they are holding up well. Life insurance counters are continuing their up move, but all these gains are actually less than %. But Nalco, watch out for this counter. Stellar set indeed, almost a triple-digit growth in terms of their numbers is what we have seen. 2.5% gain coming in on this particular counter. Colgate, another earnings candidate, 3.5% cut coming in. And Dixon Technologies, after a 5% fall yesterday, almost a 3% cut is what we are seeing. A muted set of growth coming in for Oil India, down almost 3%. And IT, I believe, apart from these nifty losers, Emphasis, Persistent, these are the other counters that are drifting lower in the trade right now. If you look at the breadth of the market, it's quite even, Steven, at this point in time. But Nikunj, not that bad indeed, at least for the benchmark indices.
I mean, the yield impact was not supposed to be felt immediately, but what I think is IndusInd Bank. I mean, are we at the peak of the bad news for IndusInd Bank? Is that what really seems to be the story for IndusInd Bank? It's not a bad start, but I will not say it is a great start. You got to just, chug it along from there. That's what I would say. I mean, markets are simply chugging along, and in that kind of a market, you really don't have too many reasons to complain.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.